rapid economic growth from industrialization has not only satisfied human desires, but has also made our lives more enriched and convenient. Today, people dream of living in a more beautiful and better environment and are working toward that goal. To meet with this goal, 3N Tech, a company that makes a clean environment, will make our dreams come true with its cutting-edge technology. The most advanced and mathematical science invention to date has been the wheel. Utilizing the wheel, automobiles have brought great convenience and prosperity to humans. However, the pollution caused by automobiles is now threatening our very existence, to include global warming. As environmental pollution has continued to increase day by day, developed countries have begun taxing automobiles not meeting environmental regulations since the early 1990s. At the UN Framework Convention on Climate Change held in Paris, 195 participating countries decided to levy a carbon dioxide penalty on countries that exceed established emission standards in an effort to reduce global warming. A clean world in harmony with the beauty of nature. This is the management philosophy 3N Tech lives by. 3N Tech was established in 1988. After 13 years of research, 3N Tech successfully developed a device that can automatically control the pressure of the fuel supply for any automobiles that use petroleum fuels and for all internal combustion engines. This technology not only reduces fuel consumption, but also fundamentally prevents emission of environmental pollutants. We acquired 4 patents for this technology in Korea and 1 in China. A patent is also pending in 176 countries, including the US and Germany. We also acquired ISO Environmental Management Systems certification as well as Quality Management certification. Until today, based on the theory of automotive engineering, fuel has been supplied to the engine by force with consistent amount pressure. However, this science-based device is a new technology that enables the engine to inhale the appropriate amount of fuel based on the driving condition by automatically controlling the pressure of the fuel supply. This makes the current engine, which inevitably causes pollutant emission, to be reborn into an environmentally friendly engine. Similar to how people's blood pressure is automatically regulated by the heart following their activities, this device plays a very important role of automatically controlling the fuel pressure, just like the heart of internal combustion and automobile engines. This device is installed between the fuel filter and fuel injector in the engine compartment, and thus prevents fuel waste by more than 15%, which would have been otherwise wasted by forcefully supplying without the automatic control device. Furthermore, the primary reason for the cause of pollutant emissions is not the flaw of the engine, but it is the lack of technology in the fuel supply method. Therefore, as long as the engine itself has no problem, installing this new device alone prevents pollutant emissions by making the engine automatically inhale the appropriate amount of fuel. Thus, regardless of the age of the automobile, the right amount of pressure is delivered with perfect combustion. Even if the device is installed in a new car, the performance of the device will last the lifetime of the car. Now, we will see the difference before and after installing the automatic control device for automotive fuel supply and how it works with the engine. We chose a 4500cc sedan as our test vehicle with a state-of-the-art electronic control unit, or ECU. The reason we chose this luxury sedan as a test vehicle is to disprove the prejudice that many people have against cars with larger engines. won't have a problem in fuel supply compared to small to mid-sized cars. For the convenience of the test, we installed an on-off conversion switch to compare the result in real time, before and after the installation of the device. We also installed a digital gauge that could measure the pressure directly related to fuel consumption. Note that as the number on the digital gauge goes up, the amount of fuel supplied goes up, and as the number goes down, the fuel supplied goes down. First, we'll start the engine without the automatic control device. While the engine is currently running and the vehicle is not moving, the fuel pressure gauge shows 3.1 to 3.2 kilograms of force per square centimeter. This is the standard fuel supply pressure level automotive manufacturers have set on purpose. Now, after turning on the switch, let's look at the pressure intake level after installing the automatic control device. After changing to this device, the pressure level of supplying the fuel to the engine now indicates 2.5 kilograms of force per square centimeter on the gauge. Comparing the pressure level difference before and after installing the device is remarkably large, which is 0.6. This means without the device, this is 0.6 difference in pressure or more than 15% of the unnecessary fuel pressure is forcefully supplied to the engine. Now, we will check the changes in fuel pressure before and after installing the device under actual driving conditions. First, we will check the fuel pressure supplied to the engine while driving without the device. Although both the RPM and speed are now increasing by pressing on the accelerator, the pressure level is the same as when the vehicle was not in motion. This constant pressure of 3.2 is what manufacturers have set on purpose. Now, even though the car is in motion, I will take my foot off the accelerator. As I take my foot off the accelerator, RPM and speed go down, but the fuel pressure supply to the engine remains constant at 3.2, just like when the car was not in motion. Now, after turning on the switch to start the automatic control function, we will see how the fuel pressure changes as we drive the same way as before installing the device. As we turn on the automatic control function, you can easily confirm the fuel pressure is being controlled even under the same driving condition as when the device was not installed. Next, I will take my foot off the accelerator while driving, just like I did before using this automatic control device. As I take my foot off the accelerator, both RPM and speed go down. Fuel pressure supply to the engine also begins to change. When you look at it, you might think that the reduced fuel pressure by installing the device also reduces the output of the engine. For that reason, we will turn on and off the automatic control device while maintaining a speed of 100 kilometers per hour and see how the fuel pressure level changes. First of all, by stepping down on the accelerator to maintain a speed of 100 kilometers per hour, the gauge shows 3.2 on the pressure gauge without the automatic control device. Now I will turn on the automatic control device while maintaining the same speed. As the automatic control function kicks in, the fuel pressure the engine inhales went down to 1.8 while maintaining speed. Again, as soon as we switch off the automatic control device, the pressure goes back up to 3.2. And when we switch back to the device, fuel pressure lowers to 1.7. The pressure changed to around 1.7 to 1.8. This proves that the device automatically controls the fuel pressure even with minute changes to driving conditions. This concludes our test.
신형 엔진들이 보편화되기 시작하면서 대부분의 운전자들은 자동차 전문가들로부터 ECU라는 전자제어 장치에 의해 연료가 완벽하게 공급된다고 알고 있었습니다. 하지만 ECU가 내장된 신형 엔진인데도 불구하고 실험을 통해 확인된 바와 같이 운행 중 주행 속도는 변화를 하는데 연료 공급 압력이 바뀌지 않는다는 것은 그간 ECU에 대해서 우리가 알고 있던 사실과 다르다는 것이 확인된 것입니다. 또한 최첨단 기술이라는 ECU가 내장된 엔진의 연료 공급에 이러한 문제가 있다면 ECU가 없는 선박이나 중장비와 같은 엔진에는 연료를 어떻게 공급하고 있을지 대략 짐작이 갈 것입니다. 이러한 문제로 인해 구형과 신형 엔진을 막론하고 연료 공급 기술이 부족하여 불완전 연소로 인해 환경오염물질이 발생되고 있는 것입니다. 자동차와 같은 내연기관 엔진의 역사가 수십여 년이 지났음에도 불구하고 공학의 한정된 틀을 벗어나지 못하고 연료 압력을 일방적으로 설정하여 강제로 공급하고 있습니다. 이러한 연료 공급은 국제사회 환경 개선을 위해 조속히 중단되어야만 합니다.
Automotive engineering considers the engine as a simple machine. However, 3N Tech thinks in the opposite way from the engineering theory and views a running engine as a live, beating human heart. All living things can naturally choose what they need to survive, just like we breathe air and eat food by ourselves.
시동이 걸린 엔진은 운전자의 명령을 수행하기 위해 각각의 주행 조건에 알맞게 스스로 필요한 만큼의 연료를 흡입해 갈 수 있다는 점에 확신을 가지고 자동 조절 장치를 개발하게 된 것입니다. 하지만 중요한 것은 어떻게 하면 엔진이 스스로 필요로 하는 연료 압력을 알아내고 그에 해당하는 연료를 흡입해 갈 수 있도록 하느냐가 기술 개발의 핵심 요소였습니다. 연구 과정에서 이를 해결하는 것은 공학이 아니라 과학을 근거로 운행 조건에 따라 엔진에서 작용하는 피스톤 운동에 의한 실린더 내부 압력을 물리적으로 정확하게 읽어내는 데 성공하였습니다. 이를 계기로 공학에 의해 강제 주입에 의존하고 있는 연료 공급을 차단하는 기술과 엔진이 스스로 흡입하도록 연료 공급 압력을 자동 조절할 수 있는 장치를 개발한 것입니다.
Now it is very clear that internal combustion engines have two roles that should coexist: engineering and science. Engineering should take charge of making the power generation device of the engine, and science should take charge of perfecting the fuel usage technology which impacts the atmospheric environment. In order to fundamentally improve the global atmospheric environment, we have to merge both engineering and science for all internal combustion engines, including the automobile, to be environmentally friendly. To be recognized for reduction of pollutants and fuel consumption using the automatic control device, 3N Tech proved the performance of the device at specialized automotive test organizations inside and outside of Korea. After our successful result was broadcast on KBS and NBC News and other media, we have received worldwide recognition about the excellence of our device.
여러분 안녕하십니까?
SBS 생활경제입니다.
배출가스 저감 장치를 조작한 게 확인됐습니다.
경유값을 올려서라도 경유차 판매를 줄여야 한다고 주장하고 있습니다.
전 세계를 강타한 한 자동차 업체의 배기가스 조작 스캔들을 계기로 경유차에 대한 논란이 경유 가격 인상 논란으로 번졌었는데요. 경유차 배기가스 검사를 강화하고 있지만 연료 주입량을 조작해 배기가스 검사를 통과시키는 브로커까지 등장했습니다. 그렇다면 연료량에 따라 배기가스도 달라지는 걸까요?
연료가 많이 들어가면 매연은 많이 나온다. 연료가 적게 들어가면 매연은 적게 나온다. 이렇게 볼 수 있는데 만약 그 연료를 완전하게 태운다면 배출가스도 적고 출력도 좋아질 수 있어요.
실험 결과 배기가스는 저감되지만 자동차의 출력은 그대로 유지된다고 합니다.
실험을 해봤습니다. 그랬더니 기존의 그 유해 배출가스가 많이 나온 차를 실차 적용을 해보니까 현격하게 그 배출가스가 감소되고 미세먼지까지도 감소되는 것을 확인하였습니다.
3M Tech has been and will continuously work hard to develop new technologies for a better future. We also operate a research center equipped with precise test equipment that is recognized by the Korea Business Association under the Korea Ministry of Science, ICT, and Future Planning. While the engineering approach wasn't able to solve the problem of supplying appropriate fuel to the internal combustion engines, we believe science can solve the problem completely. Based on that belief, we will grow and succeed in becoming the best company with cutting-edge technology by merging engineering and science.
세계 각국의 정부 인사 및 환경 관계자 여러분, 그리고 자동차 제조사 여러분, 주식회사 3M텍과의 인연은 대기 환경을 근본적으로 개선하는 시작이 될 것입니다. 자동차 연료 공급 압력 자동 조절 장치로 에너지 절약 정책과 대기 환경 개선을 위한 정책을 성공적으로 수행하시기 바랍니다.
A company that the world will focus on with state-of-the-art technology and superior quality is solving the global issue of improving the atmospheric environment and is truly what an environmentally responsible company should be. With 3M Tech, let's make a cleaner world with beautiful nature for a brighter future. Thank you.